Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we're going to have a look at the GT Omega mouse mat. This is the XL version. This is the box of it. As you can see, it's quite long. I think it's 100 centimeters by something. Yeah, here is the length, the size. So it's 1000 millimeters by 450 by 5 thickness, so it's 5 millimeter thick. 45 centimeters the height, and the length it's 1 meter, so that's good enough for most desks. I think it's got a red accent on the sides, but I'm not sure yet. Brand is GT Omega. Box is here, and I think we got some features on the side. Increased precision, 80 mice, field tested, rubber size back. Obviously the rubber size back keeps you from slipping. Competition grade gaming surface designed for accuracy and precision, optimized for pixel perfect mouse control, perfect for work and play. Non-slip rubber secures our mouse mat in place. Heavy duty border stitching eliminates rough frayed edges and protects against surface peeling for maximum durability. And increased size to accommodate keyboards and mice. Plenty of room for any sensitivity. Our improved cloth weave provides a near frictionless glide across the surface. Okay, so yeah, basically it's a good mouse mat. Let's go ahead and open it. Let me see if oh, it's white. Oh, I love white. That's great. It's even better than red. You will match anything. So I think, in my opinion, white will match any kind of setup. It's only the edges, so yeah, it's nothing major. Let's see if I can take it out with one hand. Oh, it rolled itself out. Okay, so I don't need to cut the video. Like, we can make the video without cutting it. That's great. So yeah, basically this is how it looks. It's nice to the touch. It's compared to my other one, I'm still using a GT Omega, but smaller one. I think it's the same thickness or a bit thicker, which I like. I like it to be a bit soft and squidgy and thick. Yeah, overall it looks amazing. It feels amazing. It doesn't go anywhere as hard as I can try. Obviously it's the whole back, it's rubberized. This is the premium stitching they are talking about. So yeah, it's overall it's an amazing mouse mat. And I think my mouse, I'm using a Corsair Dark Pro RGBSC, Dark Core Pro RGBSC, whatever, Corsair mouse. Yeah, it glides really well on this surface. No imperfections, no nothing. GT Omega, they know their stuff. I'm also using the GT Omega floor mat. I got another one out there, and I got another one coming. I absolutely love GT Omega, and they make top quality racing cockpits, like for racing simulation, racing mats, backpacks. Oh my god, the backpack that I have from them, it's really amazing for my laptop. It fits my desktop replacement laptop, an Alienware Area 51 R2. It fits my mouse, keyboard, chargers, power bank, a hoodie, water, food, everything you can fit in that good quality backpack. And the quality is same, is better than the mouse mat obviously, but it's just an amazing brand. They really do top quality products. Just look at the stitching, is perfect, even at the corners. Everything is perfect, no imperfection. So yeah, it's a great mouse pad. It really slides good. And you can put, I'll have my mouse here, and I'll have my 60% keyboard, and it will be more than enough for my desk. I actually have like a 2-meter desk, so that will be more than enough. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you guys want to buy this. It's really cheap and it's worth it. You won't find a better quality mouse mat for this price, looking that good. except from GT Omega. And also they do like 7 colors, so you can change the stitch in the white one with blue, red, yellow, green, whatever suits you, they have it. Yeah, I'm gonna link it in the description below. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.